Good afternoon, class. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa philosophy and logic subject natin. So, basic muna tayo. From the word logic. Logic comes from the word or Greek word na logos, which means discipline with validity. Then, it is the study and art of correct reasoning and thinking. Anong idea niyo about this? Okay. Normal is. Number 3, we have 3 processes of studying logic. Number 1, simple apprehension. Definition, grace at the back of our mind. Simple apprehension. Di ba, pag may problema tayo, example natin, pag may nakita tayong bagay, ano yung una natin maiisip tungkol sa bagay na yun? Masama o mabuti? Safe? Pero delikado?